I will walk you through the existing features and the newly added ones in MindNote. The first thing we'll want to do is go to Profile Settings and choose between Dark Mode or Light Mode. For the purpose of this demo, I will select Light Mode. In Profile Settings, you can upload your profile picture, username, email, and you can access privacy settings. MindNote is currently compliant with GDPR and CCPA regulations. You can change your password or delete your account anytime. The first step in creating a note is to add a new group. We are going to name Productivity. If we click on the group, nothing shows up. We can create unlimited subgroups and create notes and save them within those subgroups. We are now going to create a note and add it to the Productivity group. To do this, we need to click here on the plus button. This plus button will take us to the text editor. We can add a cover image. It's important to note that in order to save a note, the note must include a title and a body text. This is mandatory. You choose how to write the information. For example, you can use paragraphs, or you can use bullet points, based on your preference. In my case, I'm just going to paste some brainstorming ideas as a numbered list. Great! If we scroll down, we'll see this bar here. This bar allows us to modify the text that's already written. Note, it's important to write the text first, and then type your prompt into the AI field. AI won't modify anything with an empty text field. You will see a hint explaining that you can use commands such as keep this text or add. With those commands, you can keep the text as it is and let the AI add more information. If you want to change the entire note, you can use any other commands, such as summarize, translate, or create a list. This will remove what's already written and replace it with new content. In our case, we only want to add more information. After we finish our prompt, we just click the Process button. And now we have 2 more generated ways to increase productivity. These are the newly generated. This is the HTML view. But then we can see a WYSIWYG design mode. The blue highlight indicates the last AI edit. Let's keep it in HTML for now. You can select a word, a series of words, or a whole sentence or a paragraph. If we select a portion of the text, we can modify only the highlighted text with a prompt. we'll notice that our previous text has been changed. To customize a note, we can change its color. And then we can add it to our newly created group, which will appear here. If we add any subgroups, they will appear here. But since we didn't add any subgroups, we can just save it directly here. If you want to extract information stored in an image, such as a screenshot, a picture from a book, or an ad on the street, you can upload it and convert it into text. Done. There are some other cool features. You can open the speech-to-text feature by clicking this button here. It lets you dictate and converts your words into text. It transcribes your own voice or other speakers as well. It can capture an entire lecture or meeting. The only limitation is that speaker identities are not tagged. If you have a video, for example, from a lecture, a product demo, or even a meeting, you can paste the link. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and it will transcribe the audio into text. Our video has been transcribed here. MindNote can extract information from almost any source. With this feature, we can also insert basic formulas and adjust simple formatting. If you have virtual meetings, like Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams, you can paste the link. And a bot will join your call after the call ends. All the transcriptions from the session will appear here.